this week's weekly science video. Now for this week we are going to make a lava lamp in a bottle. And to do that you're going to need a bottle, clear plastic bottle that you've cleaned out. You need some water, some oil, droplet of food colouring, and then you're going to need a Alka-seltzer, which is a small round white tablet that can be used when adults have had a bit too much fun and they need to settle their stomach and have a headache. So, I'm just going to show you quickly what happens when you mix one of these Alka-seltzers in some water. So it's just this white tablet and it has a reaction with water. I'm just going to break off a little bit. It has a reaction with water that causes loads and loads of gases. So if we add a bit of water into this, and this is, your parents will probably know what this is, but these aren't as regular. Photos used to be on a film. So this cylinder of photos would go in your camera, you take pictures on it, and it would kind of print the pictures on a small scale on the film, and then you roll that up, and then it's go in here, ready to go to a shop, and then you get the photos sent to you normal size, which obviously doesn't happen anymore thanks to the wonders of technology. It's now all digital, but these used to be what these were, so you just clip them on like that. So this is just some old film canisters. So if I put in, I better put on safety first because this could go. Right, so if I put a bit of water into this one, so I put about half water into this one, I'm then going to put in my Alka-seltzer in. I'm going to very, very, very quickly shut the lid and put it onto here, and hopefully all the reaction will happen. There'll be lots of gases released, and hopefully we should have a little bit of an explosion, and our canister should shoot up. So I need to do this very quickly. Right, so put that in, put the lid on the table, and then the gases will be forming, the water will be mixing with the Alka-seltzer, and before too long you should have there we go. It was worth the wait. So there we go. I could hear it sizzling away, and you can still kind of hear it now sizzling. That's why I'm trying to bring that a bit closer. You can hear, this is just the tablet that's still there. You can still see bubbles are forming on top. I don't know whether it's showing up on camera. If I turn the angle, you can see it now. Look, the bubbles are forming on top, and that's the water mixing with the Alka-seltzer. So that's going to happen, but within our lava lamp. So first, what we're going to do is we are going to add some water to the bottom of our bottle. So you need about, how much water that should do? About, it should be, yeah, about a fifth, just under a quarter of water. We're then going to add in some vegetable oil. Now you're going to add in the vegetable oil really, really slowly. So I'm tilting it right on its side. Just going to very slowly add in the vegetable oil, because I want vegetable just to sit on top of my water. So I want to try and fill this up that would do. Maybe I might add a little bit more. No, that's all right. Okay, so I've now got, I'll come and bring it closer to you. I've got water at the bottom and then oil at the top. Now you can see very clearly there's a big difference. You can see the water's on the bottom and the oil's at the top. And that's because water is more dense than oil, so the water itself is heavier than the oil. So the water wants to sit at the bottom and the oil will rest at the top. And actually, these two liquids won't mix together. That's why you use fairy washing up liquid when you're washing up oily pans, because the two liquids won't actually mix together unless you put something called an emulsifier, and that's what your fairy liquid is. It's the same with cakes, and that's why you use eggs, as well as other reasons. But it just binds it all together and helps for washing up liquid. It helps with the cleaning of it. So you're then going to add a few droplets of your food colouring. I've got some green food colouring. So that should seep right down to the bottom and mix with your water. And then this is when you're going to add your Alka-seltzer. Now, I'm just going to check whether we need to put, I don't think we do need to put the cap on the bottle, but let's see what happens. So, this should then sink slowly to the bottom, and then you can see it's going to start reacting with the water at the bottom. So I just want to make sure you can see. Can you see it all fizzing away there? It's not the best lighting. This is exactly why you guys need to be doing this at home, because you'll be able to see exactly what I can see. At the moment you can see there's bubbles forming. We're starting to form our lava lamp. You can see, oh, that's better. That's much better. You can see it. Might even give it a mix, try and mix in the food colouring. I mean, it's not looking the nicest at the top. You can see it look lumps of, wow. So look at that. Might just leave that there and let you guys watch it for a bit. So the gas that was being released from the Alka-seltzer, they were rising up, and now the gas is going to be released, and so all that water, that green water, is now going to sink back to the bottom. And I think probably what we could do is we could keep doing this. We could keep adding Alka-seltzers into this, and it would still work. Because I'm pretty sure that Alka-seltzer is now gone. So I might try, and I've got a few more, so I might add in. I might add in a big one all at the same time. So. That just looks amazing. Oh, look how fast it's going now. You can see all the gases coming up, and you can see it just, all of it. So it's kind of looking like, of course, some form of a wave. It looks absolutely amazing. And then you can see once all the gases are being released, the water's coming back down and creating this kind of circular effect where it's going up and then it's coming down. So there we go, that was how to make a lava lamp. It's still going a little bit now. That's really excited me. I've really enjoyed this one this week. So I thoroughly recommend you having a go at making that, because that's super simple. The Alka-seltzers you can just buy at Asda or any place, supermarket, if you look down the pharmacy aisle. So yeah, nice and easy, but such a cool effect. Oh, absolutely, I'm amazed by that. Right, anyway, thank you very much for watching. Do send me pictures if you have a go. I'd love to see, and I'll chuck them straight onto the website, so we can inspire other people to do as much as we can during this lockdown. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you all soon.